Password Keeper, Module 10, Delete an Account. So I thought I was done with the Password Keeper, but there's one more thing that we need to do to the account. So in this tutorial, we are going to update the delete function for the account. All right, there are a couple of ways to do this, but I will show you how to delete records from multiple tables in one function. All right, let's get to it. All right, let's go to our password keeper. I thought I was done, and I think there's one more thing that we need to do to make it complete. So so I just finished uploaded the module 8 like 2 hours ago, maybe 1.5 hours. So let's make a copy of this module 9. Yeah, I thought that module 9 was the last one until I saw something that I need to make correction. Well, not a correction, to complete. So let's change that R, rename R to B, and let's go in there. All right. Right click on these guys to close, and then enable that guy. So if you close this one like so, alright, now if you close this one, it's going to exit the entire system. Remember that on close will quit the application. So in order to not to do that, you want to do this. Alright, and it's going to ask, see how it says quit. So we're not going to use that command. We're just going to end. Alright. Alright, so well, actually, you know what? Let me demonstrate it. What we need to do. Before we do that, let me go to the on close so that we can troubleshoot. I'm going to comment that out so that it doesn't close the app bark at me. Also on the go to this tab right here, go to the very top. We're going to make that a model. No, that way we can flip back and forth. Okay. All right, let's run this. I want to show you something. All right, what we need to do here is to make our application complete. And to do that, let me show you what we need to do. See this delete button right here? Delete. All right, you see how it didn't delete? That is because, let's go take a look. I'll go ahead and close that one out. That is because we say cancel. All right. So here, what we really want to do here, let's think about it. We can't just delete the account. All right. We can't just delete an account. There are two ways to delete the records here. All right. Now we don't have the data diagram. If you want to add the data diagram relationship here, and you can delete an account, and it would automatically delete the rest of them if they exist. So, but the way we avoid using this relationships. But because we're good at SQL, we understand that this company, if you take a look at it, all right, this company is the child or children of the account. You see that? That's a parent. All right, that means the children must be deleted first. Okay, And if you look at the password, for instance, these passwords or the child or children of this company, you see, we can identify that by this parent ID. All right. So in actuality, and also here, account role, all right, account role, this account, all right, belongs to the account, this account, you see. So the way we are doing this, the way we code is because we're not using this relationship, which we could if you really want to. But the problem would be what if you port this to different database, right? And then this relationship would break unless you have to, otherwise you would have to come in here and fix it, right? So we're going to do it without using a lot of access tools. All right, we'll do things with code only. All right. So we can do this, and we use the object dependency. Um, Maybe I'll go into that next video. All right. But in this video, I am going to show you how to delete without using these relationship tools. All right. So now let's get back to our understanding here. In order to delete the account, first we must delete the children of the company. All right. And then we delete the company. All right. Because you cannot delete the company without deleting the children of the company first. You see. All right. It's like a first in, last out. All right. First in, last out. That means the parent must be born first, and then the children is born, and then children is going to have to die first before the parent dies out. And that's how records works. Okay. So we're going to delete password first, and then we're going to delete company, and then we're going to delete the account role, and then finally we're going to delete the account. All right. Let's see how we're going to do that. Let's go to the code. Let's see the code. So I hope I explained that clearly. All right. So in this DB access, there is the delete account deleted, I guess, called role right here. Okay. So right here, you can't just delete like that. All right. If you delete like that, then we have orphan. We call it orphan. All right. That means these guys will not be deleted because we did not define relationship. You see. So, but maybe in next video I'll explain how to use this relationship, and then you can just execute it. Just execute it like that, and then it would remove the rest of them. All right. But right now, let's make this guy easy. So if you notice, I'm going to copy that. I highlight that. I'm going to copy that. Let's take a look at it again. First, we're going to delete the password, company, account role, and account. All right. So there are 4 deletes. 4 deletion. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So the first one being the password. All right. Where company, remember the parent. All right. This is the parent. Where company equals. So here I'm going to take that out. All right. Well, you don't have a company ID here. You only have account ID. All right. You got to retrieve the company ID from the company itself for this user. So to do that, we'll say select inside here. Yep, that's right. Company ID from company where account ID equals equals S account ID that we passed in, like so, just like that. And that's all you have to do. All right. So that goes the password for the company. All right. So see, we got a company. Now we're going to say delete from company where account is equal to that guy. And now we are going to delete account, row, and then finally account. That's it. That's all we have to do. That's all we have to do. And that will delete them in succession. All right. That's how we delete in code. All right, in code. Yeah, maybe next video maybe we'll do one more video on how to delete and using the relationship. All right, but this is deleting from a code. All right, so let's go to the account form right here. Now there's something that we have to consider. All right, I'll go ahead and close this guy. There's something to consider. Would you allow yourself to delete yourself? Maybe not, because if you delete yourself, you cannot get back in. All right. So here's a fancy way to do it. All right. Here's a fancy way to do it. I'm gonna copy that, paste, and make this guy txt administrator ID. That's it. All right. So now back in the code, we'll say if me administrator not equals to account, then we allow them to. Else, and if, and then we'll put a message here. And the message say you cannot delete yourself. All right. And then maybe information, and then we'll give a header, delete aborted, action aborted, delete aborted, delete aborted, just like that. All right. So that's how that's going to work. That's how that's going to work. All right. Now, once we delete, let's get down here. We can close. Once we delete right here, record deleted. Record deleted right here. We're going to say if then what we want to do is we want to clear the account equals to null. We also want to reload list, call list rows. See there, right there. That's the that's the display account. And then we want to refresh the form, the account form require, or refresh form, like that. All right. So let's see what else we can do. Let's see when we, and hold on. See, it says cancel here. I'm going to copy that, copy, and make this guy delete, and then like so, and then we can just copy this and call the control. All right. So either way, it's going to get an action, either delete or cancel. Let's see what else. Let's look at the delete, clear, and lock. Well, it's already locked, so just clear. That's fine. That's good. See how that works now? So let's take a look. Hold on. Let's see. Let's take a look. Actually, you know what? Yeah, yeah, that's fine. That's one fine. So we call clear right here when we delete. Yep, and log. Okay. As a matter of fact, yeah, that's fine. All right, so that's how that's going to work. All right, so let's take a look, see if that does what we wanted to do. Uh, so if we look at this guy, we got 3 right now, and let's do this. Let's log in as admin. As admin, all right. Let's go to account. Let's try to delete myself first. So I select it, delete. You cannot delete yourself. That's perfect. All right. Now let's try to delete this guy. Well, you know what? Let's put, you know what? Before we do that, there's one thing that we need to make confirmation here. It's one thing we need to make confirmation here. So what we need to do, we want to make sure they confirm this guy. So we can do this. Yeah. So I'm writing as I'm going. You are about to delete um, this account. Um, yeah, and then and we'll say once deleted, you, it cannot be undone. And then we'll add 2 more line, and then we'll say are you sure? And then we'll give it a yes no question plus critical, and then we'll say delete confirmation, and then we'll say equals bb yes. Then okay, see what happened here. I forgot that guy. Yeah, and now we can say and if. All right, so that's what we want to do. So if they want to continue, we're gonna go ahead and mark this guy like so. All right, actually I'm gonna default this to yeah, let's default this to, that's default, right? That way we don't have to do another else in here. Okay, otherwise we have to do an else in here. So we're gonna default this to cancel. All right, and if they want to proceed, it's going to mark as delete. Otherwise it's going to just be canceled. All right, so that's how that works. Okay. All right, let's take a look. So now if we do that, we'll go, you cannot delete yourself. Okay, so hold on, let's try that again. You know what happened here? Let's go back to the, yeah, I know why. Let's go to here. It doesn't know company right here. It does not know. We're going to change that to, administrator ID. Remember we did that? So we want the administrator ID. All right, We want to mark the person that's administer the account. All right, let's try that now. Try that. You cannot delete yourself. All right, let's select John, that guy. See there? So that's different. Okay. So let's try it again. Let's cancel. Let's try to delete myself again. Do not delete yourself. You see that? Delete aborted. Let's try to John Doe. Delete. You're about to delete this account. Once deleted, it cannot be undone. Are you sure? Sure. Okay. Okay. Oh. So anytime you want to call a function in the subform, you want to call it form, like so. All right. You want to make this subform a form in order to use the function inside there. All right. Or subroutine. There you go. There, that's gone. See, John Doe's gone. John Doe's gone. Oh, we need to clear this guy. You see there? See how it did not clear this guy? Huh. I thought we, let me see. Let's, oh, I know why. The reason why it didn't clear, look at this. Delete must be like so. True. Alright. So we didn't mark that as true, and when it came in here, it didn't know. Alright. It means, yeah, it did, not that one. The one above. Yeah, it jumped out. It never clear. Okay. So also, you know what? When we clear that, let's see what happened. Clear. Okay, good. We cleared this guy us too. Okay, so yeah, we didn't mark the record deleted as true, like this guy. You see there? So that's the reason why. Let's delete one more. That would be another account. So this time we should see that this guy will be relisted and these right here will be clear. All right, that right there will be clear. And also, before we go, let's see. I want to see the list rows here. List row, it should clear. So here I'm thinking, because we are going to default this differently, we can do this. Check this out. We can do this. Because this is going to be no, it will never come in here and relist. So we can make a dummy one. You know how to do a dummy one? A dummy one looks like this. Whatever. That's a dummy one, by the way. All right. So that will, so if it's no, it's going to be like so, and then we're going to reset it to me no. All right. So yeah, we'll call this a dummy. All right. That's another trick. All right. So let's try that now. So if we delete this guy, these members, my rows here will be empty. There will be 3 in here, and this will be clear, and that will be clear. All right, let's try it. Are you sure? Yep. Oh, I got you. I think I know why. Okay, so I think I know why. Let's go back there. Yeah, when you have quick thinking, it helps. See, it says in right here, equals. That's not true, because this could return many companies. You see, what needs to happen here, instead of equals, we say in. Yeah, when it says that, I say, okay, something is not right. It's expecting many records, not just one. All right. In case the Petrina has lots of companies, maybe 2 or 3. Well, not a lot, two or three, and return more than one. All right, equals means just one record. In means a list of records. All right, so that will make that correction. Let's see if I'm right. So let's go there. Are you sure? Yep. There you go. See how that my rows is removed and the available moves to all available, and this is clear and that's clear and deleted successfully. That's how that works. And that's all I want to point out. All right. Maybe in the next video, as I said, maybe I'll show you how to delete using relationship. All right. So, but that's that. Oh, before we go, we gotta fix this guy, right? We are going to make this guy model, yes, and we combine out this guy. See, you have to remember all this when you're a programmer. All right, take vitamins to help your brain. All right, and but that's that. That's all I wanted to point out is that we did not complete the delete option for the account. All right, there you have it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.